Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss that how can we take care of our plants in winter season. So let's jump in. So first of all we will discuss the water requirement. During the winter season the evaporation rate would be lesser, so it is better to underwater the plant or apply the water judiciously, because overwatering can cause root rot of the plant and there are chances that the plant can die. Now let us discuss about the sunlight requirement. Transfer all decorative plants like Sansevieria, Syngonium, spider plant, wandering Jew, fern, pothos, palm or Aglaonema to such a place where they will get indirect sunlight. So it is better to transfer all this type of the plants in the shade. Because of that, the plant will not get affected by direct cool weather. Now let us discuss that what to do with the succulents. So succulents are those type of the plants which need indirect sunlight in the summer season but direct sunlight in winter season, because they store water in their leaves. So it is better to transfer the succulents at a spot where it will get around 5 to 6 hours direct sunlight. Now let us discuss what to do with the flowering as well as fruiting plants. Flowering as well as fruiting plants should be transferred at such a spot where it will get direct sunlight for the whole day. So it is better to transfer those type of the plants in that type of the spot. Another important aspect is fertilization. All these plants are going to be in dormancy for next 2 to 3 months, so it is better to fertilize these plants less, because in dormancy if you will provide the food for the plant is not going to utilize that food, and there are chances that the plant can get affected by over fertilization and the plant can get died. I am using one liquid fertilizer, that is a seaweed solution which I have purchased from Amazon. I will put the link in the description for its purchase. So you can use that type of the mild fertilizer. Apply that fertilizer once in a month and that will be okay for the plant during the dormancy period. Let us discuss what to do when temperature goes down below 10 degrees centigrade. Under such condition, the plant will be at high risk. So the first thing which you can do is collect this type of the dry leaves from the garden and then mulch the plant soil using those leaves like this. The advantage of mulching is that it will prevent the root system from the cold weather condition. So mulching is necessary. By mulching like this, you are providing the warmth to the root system, and because of that the activity by the root system will be as it is and the plant will be in dormancy but will not die because of the cold weather condition. Another important way to protect the plant in the winter condition when the temperature is down below 10 degrees centigrade is use of polythene. So take any transparent polythene like this, make 2-3 holes on it as I am doing. And then cover your plant like this. Holes will be useful for continuous air supply, hence it will ensure breathing of the plant. So just cover them like this. It is necessary to groom the plant during the winter season, so it is better to remove all dead leaves or yellow leaves, remove all spent flowers as well as all dried branches from your plant, because plant is going to be in the dormancy for next 2 to 3 months. So it is better to remove all these overloads from the plant. There is a big no during the winter. while taking the care of the plant. The first thing is repotting. The reason is that when you repot any plant, the plant goes under shock. As the plant is in dormancy during the winter, the plant will not be able to bear that shock, and there are chances that your plant might can get die. The another thing is the hard pruning. If you will hard prune the plant in usual condition, when the plant is healthy and is active, during that time the plant gets the signal to start growth from the cut point. But in dormancy during the winter season, as the plant is already sleeping, will not understand the signal, and there are chances that the plant will die or will get destroyed. So big no to hard pruning as well as to repotting. In short, if you want to summarize the winter care of your plant, the first thing is water your plants judiciously, apply mild fertilizer once in a month like liquid fertilizer, ensure mild sunlight to your indoor plants, plus do mulching as well as covering with polythene like this when the temperature goes down below 10 degrees centigrade, and do not hard prune your plant or do not repot your plants. So this is all about today's video. If you have found this video useful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Also write in the comment box that on what other topics I should make the video in future. Thank you everyone. Happy winter, happy gardening.